How to register or create an account with STC Pay. So if you're going to be using the application via your mobile device or even use the web version of STC Pay, the actual process is going to be the same. So for this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome on their web version on STC Pay's official website. So what you need from here is just to go into straight and create an account. But make sure before creating an account, you'll have to prepare a physical ID or even a national ID on your end so that your registration will be smooth. Now make sure to fill out necessary information that is also printed in your ID card. And once everything is set, you will now then receive a confirmation via the email address that you used for your STC Pay for you to confirm your identity. And that's it. That's how you create or register an account with STC Pay.